I am Jennifer and I'm so excited you're here today to join me as I share my recipe for homemade pineapple coleslaw. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. We'll need to start off draining 1 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Let's get busy putting our pineapple coleslaw together. In this bowl I have 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and I'm going to go ahead and add in my 3 tablespoons of sugar. I also have a pinch of salt in this bowl with the sugar and the vinegar. I'll just whisk this in real quick until the sugar is dissolved in the vinegar and the salt as well. Now I'll add in my 1 cup of mayonnaise and I'll stir in the mayonnaise. I'll have this full recipe listed below so that you can easily and quickly put this together yourself. Now that the mayonnaise is all mixed in, we're going to add in our crushed drained pineapple. I'll stir this in real quick and it's time to add in our coleslaw. As you're pouring the coleslaw in, make sure you check for really large pieces that need to be removed or broken up into smaller pieces. Now it's time to get it all stirred together. Just start tossing it into the wonderful sauce that we made. Now just cover the pineapple coleslaw with a lid or plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. I am so happy you're here for this recipe today. It is absolutely delicious and only takes just minutes to put together. All of our family and friends like it. I first discovered this recipe when I went to a restaurant for a wonderful steak dinner, and this is the coleslaw that they served. I was so happy I was able to try such a wonderful, delicious dish. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.